Look at the picture marked number 1. A.
She is stirring soup in a pot.
B.
She is adding sauce to some food.
C.
She is serving a steak to a customer.
D.
She is holding a knife and fork.
Look at the picture marked number 2. A.
They are preparing a meal together.
B.
They are cleaning dishes in a kitchen.
C.
They are taking food from a buffet table.
D.
They are arranging plates on a table.
Look at the picture marked number 3. A.
A woman is taking an order.
B.
Some people are arranging the flowers.
C.
Some people are clearing the table.
D.
A woman is holding some menus.
Number 4.
Are you ready for me to take your order?
A.
I've read several of her books.
B.
Yes, this dinner is lovely.
C.
Could we have a couple more minutes?
Number 5.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for a party of 2, please.
A.
Sure, when would you like to come?
B.
Where will the party be held?
C.
Yes, I can meet you at the station soon.
Number 6.
Have you faxed the order form to the catering company?
A.
We're usually closed in the morning.
B.
I'm about to send it now.
C.
No, the reporter will arrive soon.
Number 7.
Did you tell the waiter about your food allergies?
A.
I hope they can fix it tomorrow.
B.
Of course, I wouldn't take any chances.
C.
I'd like to order the cheese platter, please.
Number 8.
Were you able to get us a table?
A.
I didn't read the product label.
B.
Please put it on the dining room table.
C.
No, the restaurant is full this evening.
Number 9.
Can I interest any of you in dessert?
A.
No, thanks. We're a bit too full.
B.
I think it was yesterday evening.
C.
The story wasn't that interesting.
Questions 10 through 12 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Janice. How are the plans for the New Year's Eve office party going so far?
It's been really stressful. I don't know where to get started in terms of finding a catering company. You helped organize last year's New Year's party. Do you remember what catering company you ended up using?
It was this company called Biz Meals Catering, and they actually specialize in corporate functions. They weren't cheap by any means, but I also checked out a lot of other companies that were far more expensive, and this one seemed like the best bargain.
Are they local? With so much to organize, I hardly have any time to run around to different tastings right now.
Number 10. What does the woman say about planning an office party? Number 11. What does the man say about the Biz Meals Catering Company? Number 12. Why does the woman want to know whether the company is local? Questions 13 through 15 refer to the following message.
Hello. Thank you for calling the Red Robin Cafe. Our business hours are from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Tuesday through Sunday. On Mondays, we are closed. If you would like to leave a message for the manager, Bob Henkel, please press 1. If you would like to place an order for a custom-made dessert, please press 2. If you would like to make a reservation, please leave a message after the tone and be sure to give a telephone number at which you can be reached. Have a good day.
Number 13. What day is the restaurant closed? Number 14. What should callers do when they hear the tone? Number 15. What information should callers give when making a reservation?